Welcome to MarineMax Crosslake. Here we are in a 2005 Cobalt 220. You are not going to find a Runabout on the market this clean at this age. It has 838 hours on it and the boat is pristine. These co-captain's chairs swivel as clean as the day they were built. They turn all the way around so you can face the action in the back of the boat. They also have a bolster cushion, so for people with shorter legs like me, you have a comfortable ride here at the helm. We have toggle switches with indicator lights and a key ignition. You have a 12-volt accessory port at the helm and at the co-captain's side. So even though this is a 2005, you can keep your phone charged all day long. The boat is equipped with a Sony MP3 stereo, and the captain even has a stereo remote, so you don't have to fight with the observer to control the tunes on board. Here in the bow, we have spacious wraparound seating with cup holders, speakers, and courtesy lights, so it's really comfortable all the way from the front of the boat to the stern for everyone on board. We have a bow door that closes off. When you shut the windshield with that, it gives you a really protected environment from the elements, so even in your late season or early season boating, you've got a warm, comfortable spot here in the cockpit for everybody in the back of the boat as well. Bring the whole family on board. The seating is so comfortable, the vinyl's in immaculate condition, and there's tons of storage for you to bring all of your gear, including your tubes. With the 12-volt receptacle, you can plug in your air compressor, air up your tube, and use this pop-up pylon to pull your riders behind the boat. This extended platform gives you an added step into the boat to make it a little bit easier when you're jumping off to swim or play in your water sports. It also just adds a lot of extra room for docking and onboarding and offboarding. The boat has 320 horsepower from the Mercury 6.2-liter MPI stern drive motor, which gets it up on plane really quickly. It's a Cobalt boat. They are one of the top leading runabouts since the 1980s in the US, with hand-laid fiberglass. This boat won't last long here, so get your hands on it now. Stop in and see us at MarineMax in Crosslake or go to marinemax.com.